Okay, this video will teach you how to install the lock for XTD-2885DF. So this is the lock look like. This is the front, this is the back. So before the installation, you have to drill out all the hollow of your door. So as you can see, this is my sample. This is my, assume this is a door. So this is my hollow, I have to drill out. But before that, you have to adjust, see whether you wish to install your lock upper or downward, then adjust the height then correctly. Then use your measurement card to measure all the hollow out. So I wish to install like this. So you can just follow the measurement card. There is a mark hollow here. Just screw all the hollow, like this is for square bar hole one, this is for the screw to go in. Then two of the lock can be installed together one. Same go to the bottom one. Then the middle one, you can adjust the size for the cylinder to go in one. But this one you have to adjust, see whether the back side of the lock is 25 or 35 or something lah. So adjust. Then if you see my lock is 25 mm backside until middle of the cylinder. This 25 cm. So the distance between the door frame and the middle of the square bar hole is 25 mm for the backside. So if you got different backside of the mortise, so you have to change your like 35, then you go right hand side a bit, 35 or 45 right hand side a bit like this. But my mortise is 25 mm, so I just follow 28 mm, sorry. This is 28 mm backside, 28 mm backside. So after you just screw out the hollow here, that should be okay already. Then the middle to the door, 28 mm. Then go to the mortise area. Because our paper is like this one, so you can flip it. So this side is for the mortise. Drill out all the hollow in the middle one. Same. Lift the plank. Don't cut it. The top and the bottom one, since the mortise have to put in. They make it cannot go in like this. Fit it on the door faceplate there. So after you adjust, the top one leave it, bottom leave it, then the middle have the screw, then the middle of the door have to hollow. So after you screw out all the hollow, then should be okay already. Now we proceed to install our mortise. So if you wish to install mortise, you have to see the latch here. Here you can go up. If you wish to change your latch direction, you can do like this. Then push in. You can turn it to turn different direction. Then turn your mortise again. Then you will start again. Okay. But since our lock, you have to ensure which one is the front side, which one is the back side. So this is our front door. You will install like this. Then this one is our lock back handle. You will install like this. So since our front door is here, because our function is push in, close, like need to pull to close, open, push to open. So the latch direction is installed wrongly, so I have to change different direction. Okay, then now the only correct one. Okay, so when you open the door, push in, close the door, pull out, and you have hit the latch of the mortise. Then should be okay. Then this is the correct one. Then after that, you can just use screw to screw the mortise. Correct. Okay. Okay, now we proceed to the front handle. I already placed my rubber socket. This is rubber gasket already placed in. Don't forget to place in your rubber socket as well. Then for the front handle, this is front handle. It will look like this. The fingerprint is on top one, cylinder on bottom. Then you can use, there is a screw tube and the screw. They have two sets. This one is for, you can just screw in first, leave some blank, then you can screw like this. Then pull out to screw, tighten it, or you can use your plier to screw it. Then you will not move around. Same go to the bottom one, leave some blank, push to bottom, then screw it. Screw until the area should be same. The top one can go in, the bottom one can go in. Then the middle as well. The middle one, you have to put in the square bar. We got provide two different square bar because in our door thickness is 24 mm like this, so we have to use 35 mm square bar. So below, if your door thickness is below than 24 something, you have to use the smaller one. So the two different size. See, my door thickness is 24 mm something, so I have used the 35 mm longer square bar. So this one, as you can see, this is the inside one, this is outside. So you can see your square bar slot here. There is a hollow here. This one is for put in the hollow one. You can push in first, then use a pin, push in, then you will start in like this. You cannot move like this. Then should be okay already. So now, before we want to put in, we have to adjust the back handle as well. The back handle, you have to open it up first. But since now I cannot open because your thumb to push in, your hand to pull out. But now I cannot open because at the downside, top one cannot open one. You have to open from the downside one, like this. Now I cannot open because the screw already tightened up. So I have to screw in, screw right hand side, screw to clockwise. So after you pull it go out, then only you can push out, like this. Okay, when you pull out, you will look like this. This one, there is a hollow, they will stuck right here, so you have to push up a bit, then you can pull out. Then slightly, gently, because in here will scratch the handle, so we have to gently, slightly pull out. So as you can see, try to remark here, there is a hollow, there is a there, so that's why you cannot open your handle easily. You are pushing. When you want to push in, upper push in the hollow first. Then only bottom push in like this. Then should be okay already. Pull out here, push here, pull. Then up, go out a bit. Handle go up. Then only follow the handle, go out. Now you can adjust the inside lock lah. So look at your below fingerprint device here, you have to open it up by using small size screwdriver. Okay, you have to open it up first. Same go to the right hand side, open it up first. Okay, then go out. After that, then should be okay. Leave it like this first. Now we proceed to front handle. So after you screw the tube at the top and the bottom one, and as well as the square bar, select the correct square bar. Make sure there is a hollow, there is an arrow on the lever head or the square bar slot there. The down one don't have the arrow mark. The top one got the arrow mark. Ensure the arrow mark always face to your handle side. But if you lock its handle side is the other side, like the handle is on the right hand side, the handle is like here, then you have to, when you install the door, install on the lock, you have to turn your piece arrow face to the other handle side. Since my lock is like this, so I have to turn it like this. Always, the arrow always face to your handle side. Then only you can install in. So now I already install. The wire go in first on the top. Handle, square bar, always face to your handle side. Go in. Then top one, bottom hollow, all have to go in like this. After that, your back handle, there is a wire have to go through the inside door here like this. Then touch it on the screen first, on the door first, touch it. Then the square bar slot, always there is a arrow on the square bar hole on the back handle as well. The arrow can be turned like this. The arrow always same go to the handle, or arrow always face to the handle side. You can see this, my handle is here, so my arrow had to face to here. But if your handle is like here, you have to turn your arrow to the other side. But since my one is like here, so I have to turn it back like this. This is the correct one. Then wire go in. Then just face push in only. Then should be okay. Now I have to use the screw. Use the correct screw to go in. Screw in on the lever handle. Okay. Then use screwdriver to screw in first. Make it tighten it a bit. Don't too tight first because we had to adjust afterward. Same go to the below one. Use the because we got provide different length, so use the correct one. My one you use the for the door thickness 24 mm is for use the middle one to be okay already. Tighten it out again. Okay, don't screw too tight because we have to adjust first. Now we proceed to insert the cylinder. You have to test, can open it out first because I have to do like this because this is our pattern to screw it. Then ensure there is it's all straight one so we can go in smoothly. Okay, if you found your lock like cannot fit in, try adjust, screw your loose your mortise a little bit, then you can just adjust the handle first. Adjust the Okay, now you try to open, you cannot open, then it's not yet reached. But after that, you can tighten it up first. Tighten it up first. Okay, now okay already. Then you try lock the door, see whether can or not. If you can lock, then should be okay already. Okay, now can already. You have to test. Now you can try screw first. There is a long screw one. You have to screw the multi-side area one. Then use your screwdriver to tighten it up first. Okay, don't too tight. You have to adjust afterward one. So now the middle one, try the back handle. Open, then should be okay already. Okay, now only screw your back handle fingerprint. Don't lose your screw. I have to screw back the fingerprint one. Don't too tight, just when you reach tighten, and then should be okay already. Don't too tight, no need to tight one. Okay, then push your wire, go in to the steel area, go in, then should be okay already, like this. It should be okay already. Then try, you can put your battery here to do testing, see whether can work or not. But before that, you have to put in the wire first. Put in the wire first. Okay, like this. Then go in. Okay, and you can work like this. So now, as you can see, you cannot open because you have to open the door. Like press 1, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then now you can unlock. Same go to the behind one. Like this. Okay, now I can open like this. I have to scan my fingerprint. Now I can open. Then this one, the lock have to test with the battery one. If you got no battery, then you cannot test. The default password you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can open. Now I can open like this. Okay, after you put in your battery, all the screw already screwed. Now it's the last stage. You have to use your plate. Go up, upper go in first. Upper go in first. Because after go the screw hole. There's a screw here. There's a something put out one. This one have to go in first. Upper go in first. After go in, then downside push in. But since if you feel like the cylinder cannot fit in, because this is already too tight, so you have to loosen it first. Then so your lever tender can move, your cylinder they only can move something, then you can put in like this. After that, then only screw it like this. Then now can already. After that, the last stage, is the bottom one. There's a screw just now one, because anti-clockwise to loosen it up, loosen the lock one. So now I need to tighten it up. I have to turn anti-clockwise, because my lock like this one, so I have to do like this. As you can see, my one can open, still can open, so I have to clockwise, anti-clockwise, use anti-clockwise to loosen it first, loosen it, make the screw come out. This, now can open already, like this. Then you can try, now can open, okay, seeing our fingerprint, can open already. Then go to outside door, then go to other, now I can open. Default password, can open already. That's all.